Welcome back, friends. It is Friday. We are going to learn about some things about these three different objects here. Why don't you take a look at them and see what you notice about them? Okay, so what we're going to learn about is a new shape. It's a 3D shape. And when Miss Horton says 3D, I mean it's something you can touch, you can feel, you can move it around. This is a 3D shape. It's called a cube. A cube, kind of like an ice cube. This is a cube. So all of these are cubes. Each side and each face of a cube is a square. Okay, so how is a cube different than a square? How is a cube different than a square? Right, the cube, it's 3D. You can move it around. It has many sides, many different faces. But a square, it only has 4 sides and 1 face, and it's flat. 3D shape is not flat. Okay. So this is also a cube. And this is also a large cube, Miss Horton's diffuser. It's huge. It's a cube. Okay, so what's different about all of my cubes? Okay, so the size of them are different. The color of each of them are different. And the feel, the texture of them. So this one's got little bumps on it. And this one's pretty smooth. But this one over here, it has a little hole at the top, so it feels different. Okay, so we're just going to look at this one for now. Let me bring the camera closer. So we're only going to use this one for right now. We're going to talk about it. So these are called dot cubes. These are called dot cubes because they have dots on them. See all those dots? Okay, does anyone know another name for these dot cubes? Dice. Yeah, they're dice as well. Has anyone ever used dice before? Or a dot cube? Oh, so you have. You probably have when you played a game. So what games could we play? You could shake it up and roll it out. You could play Monopoly. It has dice. You could play Bunko. That's a cool game. Maybe some of you haven't played Bunko before. There's many games that have dice in them. But these are called dot cubes as well. All right, so there is a different number on each side, or I'm sorry, each face of a dot cube. All right, so Miss Horton's going to roll this dot cube. And we're going to see what number lands on the top. So this top right here would be the top face of the cube. Now watch how Miss Horton rolls it. I have it in my hand and I cup it. I have a little cup. And I'm going to shake it up in my hand and then I'm going to roll my hand over. So the top face is right here. And that top face is number, count the dots, 6. Good job. Let's try it again. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to twirl it in my hand and I'm going to flip my hand over. The top is the number 3. There are 3 dots on there. Good job. So you can roll the dice as many times as you want, and you're going to land on maybe the same number or a different number, but you have many options. So let's see how many options you have. You have 1, 2, 3, let's see, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 options on here. You can roll on number 1 through 6 and all those dots. All right, friends, let's look at your work today. Remember, we're talking about cubes, a 3D shape. So you are going to draw to match you're going to draw a line to match the dot squares to the number cards, okay? So these are squares because they're flat. If they were 3D, they would be dot cubes. Okay, so you're going to draw a line. Then you're going to color the square with the most dots red. You're going to color the square with the fewest dots green. You'll flip it over. You're going to come to this side. You're going to practice writing number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep practicing those because we're going to start learning how to use them with our numbers. We're going to add, subtract. You guys are going to do some fun things with them. All right, friends, I hope you have a good Friday, and I can't wait to see you back at school. Bye.